So, hello, children of class 7. I hope everybody is good and fine out there at home. Be safe. So, before starting with this chapter, we have already done about related with the earth, then related with the structure of the earth, which has been divided into the crust, then mantle as well as a core. Then we have already learned different types of the features of both of the stages. Clear? So let us today learn about the minerals of the earth crust. Now land is made up of rocks and minerals. Rocks and these minerals which are formed from earth crust, they not only have a granite or a marble, but they do also have a soft side. Okay, of this material they are known as a chalk, clay as well as a salt. They are found in a large percentage in a place known as an ore. Clear? Now, everybody has seen a rock, but here you are going to learn about a different types of rock. So how many types of rocks we can find out here? 3. Igneous, sedimentary and metamorphic. Clear? Now, they are all different in their ways regarding what? Composition, color, size as well as a texture. Now, let us start with the igneous rocks. Now, igneous means what? Ignize, which is known as a fire. They are associated with the volcanic eruptions. I hope you know how the volcano erupted. They are formed when the molten magma they cools down and they solidified also. So these rocks were first to be formed and they are also known as a primary rock. First rock that is known, it is known as a primary rock. Now they are of two types, intrusive as well as an extrusive igneous rock. Clear? Now igneous rocks have a different characteristics of their own. They have a different features also. Number one is that igneous rocks, they are very hard, they are very compact. They does not occur in the distinct beds or a strata. They do not have a remains of any of the fossils of the animals or plants, and they do not allow water to percolate through them. Percolate means what? To allow them. Clear? Then other types of rocks are also formed from the igneous rocks, and valuable minerals such as you can find it out these minerals from the igneous rock. They are the iron, gold, silver as well as an aluminium. Clear, children? Next one is the second one is the sedimentary rock. Clear? Rain, wind, ice, plants and animals, they break down into fragments. Fragments, different small pieces, okay? And these rock fragments are carried away by whom? By the running water, wind and ice, and they are deposited in depression. Now, this deposited materials are known as a sediment. Clear? Now, these loose sediments, they are been compressed. They have been hardened to form different layers of the rock. Clear? Now, sedimentary rocks, they are formed either mechanically, chemically or organically. So sedimentary rocks, they have a different following features. These rocks are softer than the igneous rock. They have a horizontal layers arranged one up the other. They are mostly formed underwater and they have different waves and mud cracks. Now they contain remains of the animals and the plants which you did not find out in the igneous rock. Clear? They are known as the fossils. An example of sedimentary, they are the sandstone, limestone as well as a coal. Clear? So children, we have already completed the portions of the igneous and sedimentary rocks. Hope you understand this one. Again and again I am telling the same thing. When you go for the videos, please make sure that you keep your book with you. Okay. When you go to the book, you see the video. That's why how you are going to understand. Clear? So in next video, we are going to talk about the metamorphic rocks and its features, as well as very important features will be there, rock cycle. Okay. So children, thank you very much and stay safe.